goal is to give everyone a 5-star experience, and it's great to know that our efforts are so appreciated. Here's a fantastic review we're happy to share right now. And that's just one happy experience with our business. It's wonderful to receive positive online reviews like this one. We enjoy sharing them with everyone. It's extremely encouraging and validating. Plus, it's a great testament of our commitment to satisfaction. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Come by and experience our impeccable service today. Call us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.